how to fix TikTok app rewards not working. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Are you having trouble with TikTok rewards not working? Maybe points aren't showing up or you can't redeem rewards? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to solve the issue. So let's get started. First, make sure your account and region are eligible for TikTok rewards. Some rewards programs might not be available in all countries, so double check the terms in the app. Next, an outdated app can cause problems. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for TikTok and update the app if there's a new version available. Next, clearing the cache can fix minor glitches. On Android, go to Settings, then tap on Application, then go to TikTok and tap on Storage and clear the cache. If that doesn't work, try clearing app data. But remember, it will log you out. On iPhone, you'll need to delete and reinstall the app. Next, check for multiple accounts. If you switch between multiple TikTok accounts, the rewards might not track properly. Stick to one account for rewards to avoid issues. Next, if none of these fixes work, go to your TikTok profile, tap on Settings and Privacy, then go to Report a Problem and explain the issue. TikTok support can often help you directly. And that's it. These simple tips should help you get TikTok rewards working again. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next one.